You know what's funny? Most beginners think that ghostwriting is some Shakespeare level of skill that they weren't able to do it. But actually, ghostwriting is very simple. If you can communicate clearly, write like a human,
What?
and can understand someone's voice, you can easily make 1500 rupees per day in your next first 30 days. And you have to not listen any random person on internet. You have to listen me, who have literally written LinkedIn posts, emails, website copies and whatnot. So much writing I have done for so many people just because I understand their voice. So this is a very good ghostwriting beginner friendly video. You should watch it till end. So basically, ghostwriting means you have to write in the name of someone else. That's why it's just a ghost plus writing. Because you're gonna do writing, you're gonna do fab writing. But why the word ghost is added here? Because your identity will not be revealed. In fact, the publication that will go will be from someone else's name. Now you may think it's a bit unethical, Kriti, but I think it's totally fine because I am a busy founder myself and I don't have time to write IG scripts for myself, LinkedIn content sometimes. So I have a person who writes for me. So similarly, I think if you work with someone and if you don't have enough time, then you can just make them clear about the voice, about the kind of stuff you want. And there's a person, there's a tool, there's robot, there's everything for you. So I think it's not unethical. It's really good system in place. If you don't want to do the proper writing and invest the time, then I think ghostwriting is just a fab solution. Now this can include LinkedIn posts, email copies, IG scripts, Twitter, blogs, website content, speeches, case studies, lot of stuff it can be. What it is not: plagiarism, copying others, using AI to spin content. What it is: capturing someone's voice, turning their thoughts into polished content, helping them to show up consistently online and building trust. Think about this: freelancers, doctors, agency owners, coaches, founders, all know they need to post online to get more clients, to get more deals, right? But they don't have the bandwidth to post. They don't have the energy to create. They don't know how to write. Even they're not perfect in understanding the content strategy. That's where you came in. You are that perfect assistant for them. Right now in India, I must tell you, ghostwriters are in massive demand because LinkedIn is blowing up. Personal branding is becoming mainstream. D2C founders, tech people, everyone want to build content and want to build an online community. So ask me, my DMs are filled, my calendars are booked where founders are begging me to write because they don't have time and they really need someone who can take away their social media and can handle it completely. So yeah, demand is insane. You don't need fancy English vocabulary or 10-year writing experience to start this. You only need 5 basic things. Number 1, writing clarity. You should write like you're talking to the friend or someone who you already know. Second is understanding client's voice, because that's where the ghost part comes in. You are not writing for yourself, you are writing for someone else. So you should understand their voice, which really takes a lot of research part, which I'm not gonna reveal for free. Not everything in the world is for free. You can book my consultation on TalkMate for that, okay? You can go in description, find the link and you can book it if you want. Third is basic editing. You should know how to write clear sentences and stuff, which you can get proofreaded by ChatGPT anyway. Hook writing skills, very important. You should know what kind of hooks work on LinkedIn or Instagram or YouTube, and you should be pretty good in hook research. And the last part is content structure. So you should know how you should start the post, how the storyline goes and what's the CTA or the end. You can learn 80% of ghostwriting in just 7 days if you implement properly. Number 1 is LinkedIn ghostwriting, which is pretty high demand because there are so many people on LinkedIn who want to build presence, who want to share their thoughts, but they don't have bandwidth to write content. So you can swoop in and become their cheerleader. Now example is a salon owner who just want like captions and all. So I think for caption writing, Instagram captions, you'll be a good person. You can write cold messages for outreach. That is also a very good thing. And kind of require a bit of writing skill and strategy. Doctors need email sequences so much. I'm handling currently a newsletter, and I know that you can really offer email newsletters as a service, and you will be a ghostwriter for them. Long form blogs, for sure, everybody needs blogs, not just to maintain the website, but it's very helpful in SEO also. It helps them to rank fast. And of course, YouTube scripts. So creators pay insane amount to the people who are writing YouTube scripts. So I once wrote for a Agritech founder on LinkedIn, and he paid me 10 lakhs for 6 months because he wanted to build visibility online. I have made a whole video, you can go and watch here. But I'm just telling you that I just know writing, I just know ghost writing. I just reached out to him on cold DM, he accepted the request, I closed him for personal branding, and bam, I upscale him the services and made the money. So just because I was a good ghostwriter, I know how to do proper DMs, I know how to pitch, and I know how to write content on LinkedIn, I made 10 lakhs in 6 months. You know, I'm not gonna boost, but in Infosys I had a job of 3 lakhs per year. So if I say I've made what, almost 3 years salary in just 6 months with just one client. Let's talk numbers. So beginners can charge 200 to 350 per LinkedIn post, 400 to 500 for IG scripts, 1000 around per blog, and same goes with YouTube scripts also. So daily potential to 1500 easily. And this is literally, I'm telling literally like 2 to 3 hours of work, because with ChatGPT and AI this has become very easy. I've made a whole video again on ChatGPT, how you can 10x your productivity, and I'm not joking. Previously for writing, research part was the main hurdle, but now it is solved with AI too. So you can just complete the work in 2 hours and make a good money. So start with LinkedIn only, post writing samples like founder story, before and after transition, give some breakdowns of some concepts, DM founders. So simply just tell them that, hey, I love what you're doing in this company XYZ. I really think that you are not getting great engagement on LinkedIn, and I can help you because I do very thought-oriented comments and write very good posts that brings a lot of impressions. So I think you can pitch something around this, and there's a high chance if you pitch to the right profile, they will accept it. So offer the starter package like LinkedIn posts, DMs, scripts. You can offer for like 1500 or something. So yeah, founders love bundles. Join some communities. There are so many WhatsApp groups, Telegram communities, Discord, like so many I know that of creators you can join, you can pitch there. So there was my one-on-one coaching student who just pitched in WhatsApp group, and she literally closed 2 good clients from there. Please don't ask me now which WhatsApp group, because that's not how the things work out. You need to research something on your own. 2 things. Number 1, understanding client's voice. This is very, very, very important, because people are super specific, and why they shouldn't be. About the words they are going, about the tone, about the projection you are putting with the writing. So you need to understand, and as I told you, I can't explain everything on a video. So if you need to understand and you need to ask me in detail, you'll have to book a top mid call with me. But in simply way, founder likes blunt writing. If they are loud, if they are calm, if they are soft, you have to literally blend their personality in the words you're writing, and it has to look like that, oh, she has written or he has written. Helping them grow. Ghostwriting is not just writing, it's growth writing. It's help your clients to reach more people, to get more inbound leads, to make more connections on internet. And if you're able to achieve that now, they're okay to pay premium. I have literally charged huge amount from founders because they like my LinkedIn writing. So the 5-step ghostwriting process goes: step 1, collect raw thoughts. Now ask client if it's possible you can arrange a bi-weekly or weekly call with them, or ask them to send 5 voice notes on the group related to the experiences they are facing in day-to-day work. So we have our doctor client, and we tell her that whatever patient experience you have, which is like stick to your mind, you can just drop a voice note. Or if we have a founder client, we ask them regularly on calls, like what's going behind the scenes in your office, what developments are being done. So the raw thoughts, the raw stories, that are the best. Build a tone profile. You need to understand what kind of tone it is. It's friendly, it's emotional, it's caring, what kind of it is. So you have to build that. Create content skeleton. So for each idea, you should have a hook, story, and CTA. Write the draft. Use the simple English. Don't use any jargon. Edit for punch. Remove some extra words, long sentences. You know, the best writing, copywriting, or ghostwriting is the one which can say the thing you want in the limited words. So if something can be said in 5 words, stick to 5. Don't make it 10. So here are some amazing ghostwriting tools on my screen which I want to show you. ChatGPT for rewriting, idea expansion, tone adjustment, consistency, Notion for client briefs, weekly calendars, content bag, Grammarly for basic proofreading, Google Docs to share drafts easily, and Canva if clients need visuals too. If you have zero experience, do this. Write 10 ghostwriting samples. Imagine you're already working with some Shark Tank founder or with some doctor or with some coach, and you have to write some samples for them and build that in portfolio. You can even publish on your LinkedIn. So make 1-page portfolio of these samples, then add some before and after transitions of taking some profile. That if that is the post going right now, but what you will write and how it will differentiate. To case studies, contact details, and if you can offer someone for 15 days free trial and you can just collect the data from them, that would be a really good for a portfolio. And simply share on LinkedIn, and you can even say that you're just taking 3 clients for December and people can ping you or book a call with you if they really like your portfolio. So again, writing mistakes to avoid on the screen. Writing for exposure, overthinking grammar, comparing your writing with pros, taking low ticket clients forever, overcoming post, a big no-no. Instead, start small, improve tone matching, build consistency, raise prices every 60 days. Ghostwriting is one of the simplest skills you can start in 2026 and one of the most profitable. If you can write clearly, listen to clients, and understand their voice, you can literally make 1500 per day. So that's it for the video. Next video is coming on the 8 high income skills, one of which is ghostwriting. But what are the other 7? You need to stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe my channel right now and see you. Bye.